Mr. Rodrigues, can you tell us something about your hobby of making wines?
Well, I am basically a medical microbiologist.
Yeah.
And I was a student of this medical college in 1956.
I see.
But I had to leave this medical college because I was involved in the freedom liberation movement. And then I went and joined a reputed pharmaceutical company, Hext. And I worked with them in the scientific department and later in the commercial department for a period of nearly 30 years. After that, I came back and I set a yoga therapy center in Margam. And side by side, I took up social work. And then it started dawned on me, why do I not use my knowledge of medical microbiology and applied it for making wines which were suitable for treatment of certain diseases.
So you feel that wines are actually healthy?
Very healthy. And I have got here to discover and experience the healing power of wine, where I have made a mention of the quotation that the World Health Organization, governments of United States and the United Kingdom and American Heart Association are the policy leaders where they recommend the drinking of wine in moderation.
What's the range of the wine you make?
I have got 45 different types of wines as on date.
I see.
Right? Selected specially for their medical benefits.
Like what?
I have got Caju wine, which is used for a number of diseases. If you just see that, country-wise, Africa, Brazil, Haiti, Malaysia, Mexico, they cover a lot of diseases of its immense number of benefits that it has. Then I have started making Kokum, which has got anti-obesity, a major problem today. Obesity is a major problem. So I have combined it with tea, which has got multiple activities of medical benefits. And like that I have gone to grape wines and aloe vera with grape, and all these medical benefits I have studied where it is most effective in this condition and brought about a combination. For instance, carrot is another product. Amla is yet another product. I have got one product here, if you see. Called the Royal Spice wine.
I see.
Which is made up of figs, dates, raisins, amlaki, onions, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, carrots, all containing green tea, all containing products which are very effective, proven effect on a number of diseases.
But it looks like a voice in the wilderness, because outside Goa, very few people have heard of these or are willing to believe this.
That is the why I have prepared the posters. So I'm creating an awareness rather than I'm not interested in the commercial aspect.
Okay.
So I do not go into commercial. I am not tempted at all to make money. I have made enough of money in the capacity where I was working. You see, and you will see from even the books have been taken away from me. You see.
I see.
So this is the only one energy building which is remaining, which gives my biodata. See what about my experiences. So even those books which were here have been taken away.
On what scale are you making wine today? I mean, how many bottles per month or per year?
No, I don't. I make it only once a year.
I see.
About 50 to seasonal, about 50 to 100.
I see.
It's not a commercial organization. I make it paying attention to every single bottle and every single batch.
How do you scale this up in a place like Goa? I mean,
there's a tremendous demand.
Is it possible to scale it up? Is it possible to teach others your skills?
Yes, I would be happy. I don't mind teaching people how to make wines. I would like to promote the concept of drinking wines in moderation. Because everything you will see here, sir, regular moderate wine drinkers reduces death rates. It cuts short wrist strokes. Then consumption of wine during mealtime helps in digestion. Then you have got against kidney stones in women. Then arteriosclerosis. It has got upper digestive respiratory tract. Risk of lung cancer is reduced. Risk of diabetes is reduced. Dementia, loss of memory is restored by wines of certain cases. Then you have got blockages of arteries is removed. Then helps in heart patients who have got heart attacks. Not to deteriorate condition.
And how would you define moderation?
Moderation has been defined already at an international level at a rate of 2 glasses a day per man and 1 glass for women.
What's glass size?
Yes, normal,
Okay.
normal size. So you see, if you can split it into, actually even the alcohol content has been in moderation. Even if you were to, some people say 4 glasses, some people 5 glasses. You see, one should see that you don't drink it in excess and become addicted. So 1, 2, 3 glasses even is within safe limits. And older people need it for circulation because your circulatory system suffers, because your heart is a pump which reduces in its capacity. So this drinking of alcohol and the drinking of wine in particular has several benefits which have been now documented, and guidelines issued by WHO, the British Medical Association, American Medical Association, and in particular American Heart Association. So you see, these are all the benefits which I would like people to know, you see, and get acquainted with it.
Thank you.